Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And at the end of this video, if you enjoy it, don't forget to leave a like. Today we're going to be doing the monthly fire alarm testing for the month of October. Later in this video, I will be recording part of it with my new iPhone 16 Pro Max. For those of you that didn't see the unboxing, go watch it. There will be a little card at the top of this video for you to click on, and it'll take you there. And to start off this video, we're going to be testing this smoke detector. Alright, this one's good to go. Now we're going to test this smoke and CO detector. Fire, fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. Alright, good to go. And this is another smoke detector. Correct. Got another one that's good to go. Now we're going to test our last smoke and CO detector. First try. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. Alright, got another one that's good to go. Now for the last two devices that I'm going to test, I'm going to be recording on my new iPhone 16 Pro Max in 4K 60 FPS. Now I'm going to be testing this smoke detector. Alright, got another device good to go. For our last device, I'm going to be testing this Honeywell single action pull station. Now we'll go ahead and reset this pull station. Now we're going to go and reset the panel. This month I will be changing out this pull station for another one that I talked about, one that doesn't use an Allen wrench key, but one that uses an actual key, and then I'll move this one to where the single action pull station is. So stay tuned for that. That video will be coming this month. Super excited about it. Alright, and that concludes the monthly fire alarm testing for the month of October. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to leave a like. And if you want to, you can go ahead and comment. I'll see you guys on the next one.